Good morning, Forex traders. This is a follow-up to my trading off the weekly chart method. As you can see here, this is set to a weekly chart. So I have two positions open right now. Is the JPP CAD pair, which is this one here. So this one I entered along. My first position here is negative $41. I entered this position around this point right here last week, because I knew these were when this bars here turn green, and I believe I entered on this candle because this looked like a nice hammer after a short pullback. So this is where I entered long this position, but it's down. And then I added a second position when it dipped a little bit lower here, because I figured this was almost at a support area. I mean, support is here, the short-term support is here. But as you can see, this area right here where the price is currently, if you look to the left, there's a lot of activity, a lot of noise. So it might stay here a little bit, but you need to take in consideration the overall pattern. So overall pattern, like this mess right here, is just slowly creeping up, then pulls back. And if you look to the left, this area here has great support around here. And this was way back 2017, because remember, these are weekly charts, so every four of these make a month. So I added up a second position. I'm anticipating this because this is a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of a shorter pullback. So even if it goes up to here, that would be great. But I'm probably not going to wait for it that long. And so when I added another position, as you can see here, so that one is up. So together they're about break even or so. The next pair I added is this one here, is the CAD Swiss franc, which is this one. I believe I added here. Also, I took into consideration the long term. Let me just move this over a little bit. So this one is up $32, $33 so far. Let me get my indicator here. Okay. So this is where the price is right now. As you can see, there's support here. These wicks are very important. They're more, in my opinion, they're more important than the body, because it shows like where price got rejected. On the upside, price got rejected here, got rejected here. On the bottom here, got rejected, got rejected. So the price currently is right here. So this could be a rejection point as well. Let's see where this wick is at. So I mean, it might pull back to here, so I might let this run. And I got this green here, but this, because this is for this week, so this indicator here can be switching from green to, could be repainting from green to red, red to green, all day long until the end of the week. Then it doesn't repaint, it just stays the same color. So once the week is over, once the candle closes, then this stays the same color. So I might be taking profit on this. So currently I'm up 33 on this. So overall, let's see, these cancel each other. So about $25 or so, or $30 ahead on these two trades. Let me see, I can check other pairs real quick. This one, Euro USD, I think it is at a good support. It's just waiting for a green candle here. Nothing to do on that one. Let's see what this one. See, I look at so many charts, I forget why I drew these lines, but I can probably figure it out. But or maybe I was on a daily time frame when I drew this. So yeah, I don't remember why I drew these lines. Maybe because of this wick right here. Who knows? So actually we have a green on this one here. But again, this could change during the week. And today is Monday, so it's still pretty early. So anyways, I won't bore you any longer. If you need any points clarified, please go ahead and email me below or comment on this video. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great day.